Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is J Nails. Have you ever had itchy, burning, or swollen fingers after using gel nails? You might be reacting to HEMA or acrylates, which are found in most gel nails. Today, I'm going to show you how to safely use these products, avoid skin contact, and protect yourself, even if you don't have access to hypoallergenic products. Now, before we get started with the video, please do not forget to press on the like, subscribe, and share button, and also press on the notification bell so that way you can stay notified when I upload another video like this one. Now, let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you how to safely use nail gels with HEMA or acrylates. If you ever experience any of the allergic reactions that I spoke about, itching, swelling, or burning from gel nails, this video is for you. I'm going to teach you the exact steps to avoid HEMA contact with HEMA and acrylates, how to clean the spills safely, and how to protect your skin while still enjoying the DIY or the professional nail services when you go to the store, the salon, or the spas. What you will learn in this video are the following steps: how to avoid gel contact with the skin, the safest way to wipe and clean with isopropyl alcohol, and why you cannot clean with acetone instead of alcohol, because they're not the same. The must-have essentials to safely and safe nail application, how to clean bottles, the caps, brushes, and your workspace too, and why the no-wipe top coats are the safest and the best option for you instead of the ones with the inhibition layer. I'm going to teach you how to prevent the allergic reactions while still enjoying the nail creativity that makes you feel beautiful and cared for and pampered. Now, get your pen and paper and get ready to write the steps down with me so that way you can stay in the know at all when it comes down to your nail products. So, number one, I'm going to give you 6 steps and stay tuned to the end so that way you can stay notified for the bonus, number 7. So, number 1. The number 1 rule is avoid skin contact. Always, always, always apply the gels carefully. And if you have any products touching your skin, because we're not perfect, it will happen, mistakes will happen, please, you can follow these steps. Remove it immediately before curing it. And even if you cure it, the product, and it's on top of your skin, you had contact with it, the step is to, after you cure it, I'm going to show you in this video how you can move the skin slightly to the side, and with an orange wood stick, you're going to remove it after with a file. You're going to file it around very gently and remove it and wipe again with isopropyl alcohol. Number 2, use a lint-free wipe or strong paper towel like Bounty. You have to fold it and wipe with isopropyl alcohol at least 3 times. So that way you are not spreading the product further in your skin or in other products. Another thing, the reason why you have to use isopropyl alcohol and not acetone is because acetone will make the product get absorbed into your skin, and that's exactly what you want to avoid. And that's the reason why isopropyl alcohol is not the same thing as acetone. They work for different things, and isopropyl alcohol is the only thing that is going to remove this product and the HEMA away from your skin. For number 3, for corners or side walls of your nails, use a wooden orange stick to gently remove any gel before they cure. So I already spoke in number 2. After they cure, you're going to move it with an orange wood stick on the side. But then after that, before it cures, you have to remove the gels with an orange wood stick like I showed you just in the video. So number 4, after curing, use a proper nail cleaner to remove the sticky layers. Unless you're using a no wipe top coat, which cures dry and saves you that extra step. And that's why it's best to use a no wipe top coat, because it saves you the step of having to remove the sticky layer after you clean them. Now, there are a lot of proper nail cleaners. The one that you can use is number 1, isopropyl alcohol. But isopropyl alcohol will leave a kind of a dry texture after you clean with a top coat if you use the isopropyl alcohol sometimes. So not every top coat is okay to be cleaning it with isopropyl alcohol. So that's why you have to use a proper nail cleaner like the one that I have right here in the video I'm going to show you right now. The Semi-Like brand is a little bit expensive, but you can find a cheaper brand in AliExpress or Amazon. I always go for AliExpress because AliExpress have the items at a more cheaper level, but they're also high quality quality, and the same things that you find in Amazon, usually you find them in AliExpress, but for a fraction of the price. Now we're heading to number 5. Always keep your bottles, your brushes, and your caps clean. Wipe them with isopropyl alcohol after every service to prevent the sticky buildup. This doesn't mean that you are going to a service to have it done for you, but sometimes you may go to a spa, to a salon, or a walk-in salon, or even do it yourself. So you have to wipe them with alcohol after every time that you use them on yourself or to do somebody else. And so this is what will prevent yourself from spreading things to other products as you are touching things around. So now we're getting to number 6. If your hands or tools feel sticky, clean them right away. Sticky residue spreads easily to the tables, to the tools, and other products that you have around you, and that's why the reaction continues. Sometimes you may do your nails and you feel something sticky in your fingers. That is the HEMA and the Acrylates spreading because the products that you use, they have them. So that's why you have to use the wipes and clean everything. And after you clean them, you have to get rid of these wipes or bounty pieces of paper. The way that I use it is I take a bounty that is maybe used in the kitchen. I take some papers and I use it for myself. And here I do not use the lint-free wipes that they sell on Amazon or AliExpress that are for nail cleaning. I do not use them because they are see-through and the product just goes through the other side and it lets you have allergic reaction even faster and spreads to your fingers once you're wiping them. That's the reason why I'm saying using Bounty or other Bounty product that feels very tough and strong. That's the only way that you're going to avoid the product going through the wipes as you're wiping your fingers. As you can see right there in the video, I'm going to show you how I turn off the paper around, and I try my best to not have contact with the paper with my own skin. That's exactly what you have to avoid, so that way you can continue to use your product safely and not have to buy the hypoallergenic ones if you don't have the money at the moment, if you don't have the budget, because they are a little bit in the pricier side. Now this one is the bonus one, number 7. Lastly, always clean your workspace, the tools again, and even the bottles, so you don't carry allergens into your skin later on. So after you're done with the products, with the service, what you're done to yourself, you have to wipe again all your surfaces and all your fingers, and wipe them again with another Bounty piece of paper that is clean, and you're going to turn it around and keep wiping them. And yes, so that way you avoid the allergic products later to you know, get you sick. So guys, these steps may feel tedious, but they are worth it. Whether you're a nail tech or doing the DIY at home, practicing the safest habits protects your skin, your nails, and your creativity. Even if you cannot afford the expensive hypoallergenic products, like I can't, to be honest, I don't have most of them, I have some. These precautions will help you keep you enjoying the nail art safely. And don't forget to don't give up on your nails, and you just need the right method to continue to do your nails. Now guys, whether you're in Cuba, the US, Europe, or anywhere else that you might be without easy access to hypoallergenic products, these tips will help you, and they can help you to have a safe DIY gel nail prep. And also you're going to stop the nail allergies that you continue to have. So guys, you can continue your nail journey without giving up on your passion. Now, before we end the video, please don't forget to press on the like, subscribe, and share button.